stay face down. Deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Okay. Out. Let me just record this sign. This is awesome. No excuses, execute. This is perfect. Okay, go on your side. Okay, keep this leg straight. Okay. Okay, while you drop your paper. Okay, raise up your head. Relax. Oh, that's a big one. Okay, sit up. Okay, lean back. What's your motion? Okay. Relax. You're tightening up. There we go. You're tightening up.
Because I'm waiting for it.
You know it's coming. It's like a trade. It's inevitable. Okay, let's do your lumbar spine. Okay. There's a little tweak over there as well, and then you can go see Gail for massage. Okay.
What is that one?
Where's one?
That's it?
No, go lie down here.
Up?
No, on your side. Face me like you sleep. Facing me.
Wait.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. Well, the other side?
Okay. Maybe you can play rap after adjustment. Okay. Relax. There we go. That was a good one. That should help with your back pain. Okay, so let's go see Gail for massage, okay?
Huh?
Let's go see Gail for massage.